Hi, I'm a dog. Ruff, ruff, ruff. Blah, blah, blah. I just threw up a hairball. It was kind of creepy. Oh, look, a bird. I saw a bird. Now a clown's gonna... Hi, I'm a clown. Okay, now I'm a stuffed animal. I'm a stuffed animal.
That's so cute.
I must knuckle like a shot. My jersey is foretold. I'm a pig now. Nobody saw right behind the curtain. Nobody saw behind those curtains. Hello. Nobody saw those curtains behind. I'm Chinese. Hi. No. I'm a statue, except I move. Bye. Hold on. Confetti. Konnichiwa. A bird. Whoa.
Oh, that part was so...
Oh. Somebody punched me. Bleh. I have to go now. I'm sorry. Except, I have one thing to tell you. I am Siamese, if you please. I am Siamese, if you please. I like my glasses don't make fun. 'Cause the glasses are the only one. Glasses make me smile.
Okay.
I'm Chinese. If you don't want to know me, I'll punch you. Again.